Tired of your videos getting lost in the YouTube abyss? Let's supercharge your click-through rate by crafting irresistible thumbnails with Nano Banana. First, head over to nanobanana.com and create a free account once you're logged in. Hit the Create New Thumbnail button to start fresh. Nano Banana offers tons of pre-made templates, but we're going to build one from scratch for maximum impact. Next, upload a high-resolution image that's relevant to your video's content. Make sure it's visually appealing and instantly grabs attention. A close-up of your face expressing excitement or intrigue often works wonders. Now for the text. Click the Text tool and add a short, punchy headline. Keep it concise. Aim for 5 to 7 words max. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font and experiment with different colors to make it pop against the background. Time to add some flair. Nano Banana has a library of elements like arrows, shapes, and icons. Use these strategically to highlight key aspects of your thumbnail and guide the viewers. A well-placed arrow can dramatically increase click-through rates. Don't forget the finishing touches. Play around with filters to enhance the overall look and feel of your thumbnail. A subtle contrast boost or a touch of color correction can make a big difference. Just remember, less is often more. Finally, compare your Nano Banana creation to a typical, unoptimized thumbnail. Notice the difference. A well-designed thumbnail is an investment in your video's success. Download your masterpiece in the recommended resolution for YouTube. Upload it to your video. And get ready for those clicks to roll in. Nano Banana makes thumbnail creation easy and effective.